Welcome to LifestyleMed with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is LifestyleMed with Dr. Jade, and on today's segment I like to call this Juicing with Dr. Jade. I've said it in some of my other videos, but I love juicing, and it's a great way to incorporate more vegetables and more fruits into a plant-based diet and add some variety and some great health benefits. I'll be going over what some of those health benefits are. We'll be juicing my favorite green juice recipe today, and if you're interested in juicing and to see if it's something you can add into your diet, then stay tuned. And the health benefits with juicing can include promoting weight loss, can hydrate the body, aid in digestion, improve your energy levels, boost the immune system. I'll be going over the 5 ingredients in my green juice recipe and some of the benefits of each component.
So our veggies and fruits are all washed and laid out on the counter, and today we're going to be using a Breville Juicer. All right, here we go.
My first ingredient are cucumbers, which are great for hydration. They are mostly composed of water, so they're gonna definitely hydrate the body, help with detoxifying the body of toxins, and also promoting the immune system being boosted and to help you feel better. So hydration, beautiful skin, cucumbers are all about it. The second component of my green juice is kale, fresh kale. Kale is called a superfood for a reason. It is jam-packed with many vitamins, and it's gonna help improve your energy levels. Next, we have fresh ginger, and fresh ginger helps to improve the metabolism and with improved digestion. We'll also be using apples, and apples are also very hydrating and have anti-inflammatory properties as well. Last, we'll be using some good old lemons, and we know these have a great source of vitamin C, but they also help with weight loss and digestion as well. The juicer we'll be using is a Breville Juicer. Okay, so let's get started, you guys. All I'm gonna do is plug my juicer in. All of my fruits and vegetables are washed off. I'll let you know how much I'll use for each component, and I'm just gonna flip on the switch. You don't have to cut anything. You can leave everything whole. You just throw it down the juicer. The juicer does the job for you, and then we can either put it in the fridge or the freezer. I like my juice really cold, and enjoy it now or later. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with juicing my vegetables. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to juice because the juicer gets loud, so just so you know what's going on. For this recipe, and this is going to be a juice just for myself. If I'm making more for my family, for my husband, then I'll double the recipe and make it a larger portion. But just for myself, I'll be using 2 cucumbers, 1 bunch of fresh kale, about 2 inches of fresh ginger. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I have small apples today, so I'll use 4 small apples. If I had the bigger red apples, like I was holding earlier, then I would use about 2 of those. And then 1 lemon. So that's what I'm gonna be putting into my juice. So next I'm just gonna turn my juicer on and show you how I do it. So here we go. First, my cucumbers. Pretty simple, and you can see the juice is coming out of here. Next, I'll do my ginger. I'll throw the apples in whole. My lemon. I noticed that when I did my lemon that my juice was getting full over my full line. On the juicer, you'll see a line that tells you when your juice is full. So I just poured some of it into my cup so that it wouldn't overflow. And then my last part will be my kale. So let me turn it back on. And I put the whole bunch of kale in there. I just split up my bunch, put it in half like that, and put it inside. Use a little muscle. Same thing with the other half. And that's it. So our juice is complete now. I just finished putting the kale in, and so now we have our full jar of juice, and I just pour it into my cup. And if I'm making a big component for me and my husband, then I'll pour it into like a big gallon size lemonade type of container. And that way we can all enjoy it. So then I just stir it up, because you'll notice as the juices sit that each fruit or vegetable has a different density, so they will settle at different heights within the cup. So I always make sure to mix it or shake my juice before I consume it, so then I'm not just drinking a mouthful of kale or etc. Everything is blended beautifully. And that's it, you guys. There is so many vitamins in this cup right now. So many nutrients. Yes, you can eat them whole, but when are you ever gonna just eat a whole bunch of kale, 4 apples, a whole lemon, a piece of ginger, all of those cucumbers all in one sitting? It's just a way to jam pack more vegetables, more fruits, and the benefits of each one into one sitting. And I'm all about taste and flavor. When it comes to healthy food, I'm not gonna be about it if it doesn't taste delicious. And you guys, this is so delicious. I love this. So this is my favorite green juice. I'll probably do another video at another time with my favorite red juice recipe. Let me know if you're interested in that. But I hope this was informative. I'm just gonna go off camera and clean my juicer. I'm gonna actually put this in the fridge because I'm about to go work out, and after my workout, it'll be nice and cold, and it's a great post-workout hydration drink as well. So I hope this was informative and that you enjoyed this Juicing with Dr. Jade. If you liked this, give this a thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything else around juicing or blending that you'd like to know about or talk about. I'll be doing more videos like this on nutrition, fitness, primary care, hot topics coming your way weekly. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Thank you. God bless.
Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.